know. Good morning, good afternoon, who cares, right? It's Wednesday. I feel a little bit of pressure because in just a few days, we're going to get rid of my entire auto facility. That's right. I am donating my entire auto shop. I'm not wearing it, but I usually do. Volkswagen Auto Works. I'm getting rid of the whole thing. I'm giving it to a racetrack. If you'll scroll back 1 year ago in my videos, you'll see a whole bunch of racing. Well, two of those people actually bought the place. And one of them, he's a partner, a third partner, but he's always been there. So he's like father time, Uncle Wisdom. He knows everything about that place. They couldn't get this done without him. Anyway, these two guys, one of them's a Toyota repair guy in Colorado. The other one, he's a drifter, he's well known. He's also been in a couple of shows. You know, he does a part or two. But, you know, he doesn't claim fame. He's just trying to have a good time. He also dry ice blasts your car to get them clean. Either way, these guys spent their entire life savings and credit so that they could purchase this racetrack and keep it alive because it was about to be closed. And I had the best time I've had in a very long time with a bunch of people. It was a great time. And the smartest thing I could think to do was to give them my tools. Give them my tool carts, shelves, desks, cabinets, file cabinets, all that stuff that I had to build an entire auto shop that I put into storage. And so far have paid $80,000 in storage fees to keep all this stuff. It's $200,000 worth of equipment that is 10 years old. It's time for it to go. So I'm going to go ahead and relieve myself of some debt. I'm going to spend 3 times as much money packing this sucker into a truck, and then we're going to drive it from Houston to Albuquerque, New Mexico. Party for 3 to 5 days, and then drive back. Someone messaged me for the Circuit of Americas for the Formula bike races and has some passes for CJ, me, and the lady. So on our way back, we may even go there. Who knows? Or we'll just come back here, build some stuff, and then go. Either way, I have a huge task. And it is in 3 days, I think. Today is Wednesday, so Thursday, Friday, Saturday morning, I'll have movers over there. I don't even have a truck yet, but I already have movers going to be there. So I'm a little nervous. You know, I just pawned off a gun so I can make sure I have a little extra money to afford whatever craziness might happen. And we're gonna donate so much of my stuff to these people. I hope it makes a big difference and help keep that racetrack alive. But in the meantime, we got to get CJ's bike done. We got to get Lizz's bike done, and we got to finish up on my own personal little Stretch Armstrong bike, the old one, because I don't have time to do anything else. So today, CJ's going to help me work on Lizz's bike. We're going to go ahead and make a new mount for the batteries. Battery tray somewhere right around here so we can mount them, and then take this thing off completely, get rid of it. Fits, and then mount this rotor to the wheel. After that, cut it, paint it, and then I'll put on her new swing arm.
Shows a lack of faith in their core concept and eat people. Yeah. Look, if you really want to know what happened to Beth's mom, well, squid aliens just killed the decoy family.
Decoy family? Family? You made more clones?
Clones are like 32% of all sci-fi fights. You don't get to clone. Yeah. I made some decoys. They're exactly like us with a few tweaks and a backdoor shutdown.
Just get hard. Creating